Deputy Minister of Planning and Investment, Madam Phonevanh Outhavong, told a press conference on Tuesday that the government is considering policies that will help the economy and individuals rebound from the devastation caused by the COVID-19 outbreak that has affected Vientiane and most of the provinces, causing sufferings and distress to business, job losses, and affecting people from all walks of life.
ของคณะเฉพาะกิจตามข้อตกลง 32 นย. ในการจัดตั้งผันขยายบรรดามาตรการก็คือนโยบายทางด้านเศรษฐกิจเพื่อแก้ไขผลกระทบจากการระบาดของพยาธิโควิด -19
Deputy Minister of Planning and Investment, Madam Phonevanh Outhavong, told a press conference on Tuesday that various sectors have announced policies and drawn up measures to help society amid the virus outbreak, especially with regards to transportation, monetary policies for business, and information, culture, and tourism work.
รัฐบาลก็ได้ออกคำสั่งเป็นต้นมันข้อตกลงคำสั่งต่างๆโดยเฉพาะมันคำสั่งของท่านนายกรัฐมนตรี
She said the Ministry of Planning and Investment, which has a macro unit led by Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Planning and Investment, Dr. Phonevanh, will further coordinate with the relevant sectors to assess the impact of the pandemic on the economy and take steps to ensure that targets set for 2021 are met. The ministry will also focus on management of the macroeconomy, especially GDP growth, budget revenue and expenditure inflation, and currency exchange rates, and promote domestic production. In addition, the ministry will further support and inspect investment projects operated by the state and domestic and foreign private companies, as well as poverty reduction projects to ensure they are able to operate normally. Finance officials are looking at ways to ease budget policies such as waiving tax payments for low-income earners, postponing the payment of taxes and duty, waiving the payment of fines and other charges, and offering customs duty exemptions on goods and equipment imported to deal with the COVID-19 outbreak.
โดยเฉพาะเป็นมาตรการทางด้านงบประมาณเนาะทางด้านเงินตราทางด้านการอำนวยความสะดวกในการสุกยู่และแก้ไขเวียกงานคุ้มครองราคาการสนองสินค้า
According to the Deputy Minister of Planning and Investment, the ministry is also considering suspending measures and cutting administration costs in order to reduce the budget deficit, aiming to reduce spending at the central level by 15% and by 10% at the local level, as well as suspending new expenditure. The Bank of the Lao PDR will continue to provide lenient credit policies for businesses affected by the virus outbreak and provide funds for SME business recovery. The industry and commerce sectors will continue to facilitate trade and transportation and provide solutions for the transport of goods between districts and provinces, as well as lower the cost of transport for both imports and exports. More will be done to regulate product prices and the supply of domestic goods. The labor and social welfare sector will consider allowances under the social insurance system for workers who have been affected by the COVID-19 outbreak. Officials will consider postponing or suspending the payment of social insurance fund subscriptions and as well as compile figures in relation to the number of people affected and will then decide on measures to resolve the problems and try to provide them with jobs.
ลดราคาสินค้าเฉพาะภาคที่อยู่อาศัย 3% เนาะราคาไฟฟ้าเนาะเฉพาะภาคที่อยู่อาศัยนี่ 3% ของมูลค่าในบินลดราคาน้ำประปาลง 5% เนาะในระยะเดือน 5 เดือน 6 เดือน 7 2021 นี้
Deputy Minister of Planning and Investment, Madam Phonevanh Outhavong, disclosed that relevant units of public assistance will look at ways to cut costs for members of the public in this time of financial hardship, such as reducing electricity bills by 3% and water bills by 5% for a period of 3 months from May to July.
คนคั่วนโยบายทางด้านค่าโทรศัพท์ค่าอินเทอร์เน็ตค่าบริการขี้เหงื่อและอื่นๆ
The relevant sectors will also consider reducing service charges for mobile phones, internet use, and garbage collection, and will try to expedite any fee adjustments.